In the future, complete mobility for people and goods will continue to grow in importance. Making this mobility environmentally sustainable is one of the challenges of our times. In the search for a sustainable solution, electricity generated from renewable energy sources is one of the keys to success. Green electromobility is clean, quiet, and efficient, and therefore sustainable. The availability of electromobility will depend on a comprehensive infrastructure that ensures simple, safe charging everywhere. Refueling a car is simple today, and electrical charging will be just as simple. But the technical possibilities will be even greater. One is inductive or non-contact charging. Using innovative technology, inductive charging allows vehicles to charge both safely and without using cables. A coil installed completely below ground, the primary coil, is connected to the public energy grid. Once the driver begins charging, electricity flows through the primary coil. This creates a magnetic field. The magnetic field excites an electric current in the secondary coil, which is built into the vehicle. And this induced electricity charges the batteries of the electric vehicle. The magnetic field forms only in a precisely predefined space between the coils. This space is not accessible to drivers or passengers. Once charging is completed, the magnetic field dissipates, just as safely and reliably. Charging stations can be integrated almost invisibly in any environment. The non-contact charging procedure means there is no wear and tear on parts, and there is no opportunity for vandalism. And with inductive charging, even short stops can be used for charging. It's effective and safe. Electromobility is the key technology for ensuring sustainable mobility around the world. And around the world, that electromobility will be associated with one name: Siemens. Our tomorrow starts today.